First of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Rehan Sefi, and today, as we all know, that we are doing debate on a very good topic that is all about classes. Especially the school classes should be alternative or not. Let me start with one of the saying of Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. He said once in his interview, sometimes it's better to bunk the class and to enjoy with friends, because when I look back, I don't find my marks making me happy. I find my moments making me happy. It means if we act upon the saying of the APJ Abdul Kalam, for example, I got to know about this saying on the day of Monday. I went to the school on the day of Monday. I got to know in the evening of Monday this saying, oh my god, Abdul Kalam has said this. On the day of Tuesday, I bunked my school. Now I go on Wednesday. One day lag has been. It means it has become alternative classes. Now, my future, my past, my today ruined. Me myself is gonna fail in the exams. Me myself is gonna be a person who can never be successful. I am gonna be the servant of Elon Musk, I think, or I am gonna be the servant. I am gonna be a sweeper in the schools of the Safia, of the Fabiha, of her. I'm gonna be the sweeper. I'm gonna be the servant of them, because I acted upon the saying of the APJ Abdul Kalam and did bunk just one day. Sisters, please mend your ways. I care about you as your sister of the India, as your my sisters, okay? So I care about you. Do not do these kind of things which do not impress us, okay? And another thing, let me say where is that? Yes, LLB student, a law student goes only 5 days in a week till Friday. He does holiday on Saturday and Sunday. I to me myself go to the college till Friday and and to holiday on Friday too. 3 days lake in the middle, and then again we go. Then 3 days gap. Then 3 days gap. Do you think when a person does his whole law course and goes in the court, and when he is fighting in the court, does he forget any kind of article? Does he forget any kind of act? Like section A, he says section B. To section C, he says section D. Does he do like this? Not at all. We haven't heard like this. We have C.Y. Chandrachud. Has he any time forgotten what is Article 15? Because he had holidays 2 days in a week. Have you ever heard? No, you will not hear too. So how can you think that the future of a person, the past of a person has ruined just by going to the alternative classes? I don't think so. I think all the people, most of the people sitting here learn alternate in the tuitions. The same we can learn in the schools too. Now you may speak, sister.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Salam.
So today we all are having a debate on a very amazing topic which is all about alternative schooling versus regular. So I'm Alkama Javed here and I'm in the favor of regular school. So actually I had to reply my rest of the other opponents, but my brother Rehan forced me to reply him first. He said that he mentioned one of the quote of APJ Abdul Kalam, and one day you should bunk too, and these kind of things. I do not know about that. So brother, as much I know about his consistency, he even forgot his marriage date. Okay, so do not say like that you should bunk the classes and this and that. He even forget his marriage date, and you're talking about the bunking classes, and you're talking about the laws. Oh my god, the Indian laws, the freaking laws we have. Oh, that doesn't even forget the article 51, 13 and 6. They even forget the victim name. What are you speaking? They will forget what happened. Sir, we know very well that what Nirbhaya case happened in 2014, and when she got the justice 2022. This the a thing he is talking about the laws. Oh my god, the alternative scholings, and my brothers Rihan, Arman, Bashir, they all are talking about the revisions. Actually, we are not getting the time of revisions, and we have this much subjects and that much subject. So first of all, here I would like to say that definitely I would support alternative schooling if I would be a Japanese or Korean. But we are in Indian education system. Even if I talk about the India education system, till 10th class we have to study all the subjects: math, science, SST, Hindi, English. And if I talk about their terms, they are also used. And if I talk about the 11th and 12th class, as Ishan brother was saying, and one of all I don't know the name. He's saying that we are science students and we are alternative schools. So brother, this is the same thing. In the science terms, if I talk about the physics, there are two terms: classical physics and modern physics. And if I talk about the chemistry, there are three terms: organic, physical, inorganic. And if I talk about the biology, so it is botany or zoology. As much I know about the science, so definitely we cannot handle those all subjects alternative classes in the schools. Okay, you can handle these classes by the tuitions very well, I am agree, but in the schools you cannot handle these kind of the classes. Okay, now I want to say that Zahid was saying that for developing schools should be alternative, like according to him, for the sake of developing schools, just reduce the days of schools, like rather than making a building colleges, universities, schools, just decrease the school days. Which kinda ideology you are having? No, seriously.
Okay. Sister taught a very good chapter about biology. Sister taught a very good chapter. Sister, I was not the science student, okay, and I don't have the exam of science too. I'm not learning the 12th class. Alhamdulillah, I have passed with the regular. Okay, that's why I had 81% by going the regular. You know what? When I was in my 12th class, when the exam time was going on, we have kept, brother, you know, you're their team member, you know, the Harappan civilization, Harappa Sabbhya chapter in the history. Sana Sicha hasn't come, she also knew. And people here sitting, Akram sir also know the Harappan civilization. We all know the oldest civilization found in the India. Okay, I was learning that in my school. Unfortunately, I was in school and I was going in the regular school. At the time, I was so punctual in terms of going to school. Okay, behind me there was Mohit Jain, one of my friends. Bhai, all the time till the exam, I could not complete that one chapter, that one Harappan civilization. Even though I was not doing it first time, I was revising it. Even though I was revising, I was unable to complete that chapter. Why? Rehan bhai, yaar ek baat batao. Tell me one thing. In this Harappan civilization, what is Durg? Durg? Bhai, let me study. No. Tell me, I have a problem. I don't go to the coaching. I don't go to the study. Tell me what is this? Okay, I tell him. Another day, tell me what is the Rajanagar. Rajanagar, brother, will you let me study or not? These kind of hurdles we keep on having in the schools, and I myself did not complete that chapter in the school. And if I would have the alternate classes, so I think I would be able to complete that chapter in those gaps. You must speak.
So, as my brother is talking about his own experience and his classmates' experience, so I don't think so. It is for everyone. And you are talking about this Harappa chapter. I don't know because I'm not a art student. But as much I know about, okay, this side is also hard to study. So that this is the reason actually. If I talk about Indian education system, we have to be regular at any cost. For the sake of discipline, for the sake of the focus, we have to be regular. If the one day we lag one day, and our future will be maybe on the last point. And my brother was talking about the little boy to like pressure. So here I would like to mention that pressure are two kind of pressure we are having. First is overthinking. We overthink a lot actually, and this is the reason why we pressurize ourselves too much, and this is the reason why we are stressed a lot.